Hi everyone, if you are looking for ready for occupancy units here in Mabalacat City, Pampanga, just minutes away from Clark Global City, comment inquire below and I'll send you the full details. See you there! Let's do the tour here at Valencia Model Unit of Misa Ito Fairgrounds here at Mabalacat, Pampanga. So ito is nasa 130 square meter lot area and 90 square meter floor area. So let's go inside para makita natin. Dito in front, so may ano pa siya, porch, or if you want to take this as a garden area. Then dito sa natin, we have a parking area na pwedeng dalawa. So we have access here, lanai area. You want to take this as a lanai area. So pagpasok natin dito, we have an access sa living area. We have a room here downside. So if we have a senior citizen, so meron pa tayo toilet, kitchen area. Then we have outside service area here. So pwede nating ilagay yung kitchen natin dito. Pwede tayong umikot dito sa area na to. And ito po yun, pwede nating bubungan yan. And okay, let's go into the upstairs naman kung anong meron sa taas. So this is the stairs, hindi siya matarik. So punta natin yung mga rooms. Dito tayo sa standard room. So ito naging storage lang siya, pero may mga if you want new unit na ongoing pa lang, meron po tayo kung hindi po tayo nagmamadali. Pero if you want nagmamadali tayo, makalipat tayo agad within this month or next month, then ito yung para sa inyo. And this is a master bedroom. So meron na po siyang toilet and bath here. At meron tayong sariling balcony here. So ito na yung balcony natin. It's so refreshing outside. So yun, makikita natin yung community outside here. So if you want to know more about the details of this property, contact me at my number 0966-8777-435 and look for Engineer Will Bisperas, your Pampanga property guide here at Fairgrounds, Mabalacat, Pampanga. Tayo ngayon sa ongoing construction ng Valencia Model Unit natin. So ito, wala pang buyer. So sa ngayon, I have a client here na nag-inquire. So let's see. So ano naman tayo? May pre-selling tayo, may RFO na unit here at Fairground. So ongoing na po yung construction. If you want a pre-selling per YouTube, andiyan pa, pwede pa siya. So just comment on my